Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to design a garden path. Now, a garden path is basically just any type of a way to get around your garden. And so the trick I have found with designing a garden path is never use straight lines or square lines. You want a meandering type of path. And in this area right here, I am wanting to put some garden paths in. And so in order to design it, I need to design the flower beds around it as well. If you just have lawn, a lot of times having a little path through the lawn doesn't look like very much. But if you have little garden beds in between, it's much more effective and much more beautiful. So if you have trees too, you want to go around the trees and make a meandering path. You can build your path out of gravel or bricks or sawdust or mulch or pretty much anything you can imagine. There's many ways to make your garden path. But when you're designing it, really take your time and think about the future. And if you've got a little tree right next to the path, you know it's going to get tall over the years. So design your garden path with the future in mind. And in your flower beds too, you know over the years everything's going to multiply and get much larger. So when you're designing a garden path, make sure that you want to have focal points and different types of garden art too to enhance the path. And then that way you can stroll along your garden path for many years to come.